Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP, your daily update. We'll do a full technical, but also a little bit of a news update, and I do think the news update is going to be the most valuable right here, because my analysis on XRP has practically been the same since the 20th of July, so for the last 5 days. And that has been correct, but we also haven't seen that much movement, right? So it's not that it was phenomenal to be right about this. I think we moved up 6%, but the thing is that right now, purely technically, if you look at XRP right now, we are just technically very bullish. All right, you can also see if you look at this, it's a very opaque green line, but that was the main resistance level. We broke above that on Monday. Since then, we've been respecting that. We're also very much respecting the trend band, as you can see right here. So purely technically, we are bullish, all right? And then also, if you look at XRP against Bitcoin, there's not a ton of correlation. There's always correlation, all right? So XRP and Bitcoin always move together. But if you look at this, XRP is still outperforming Bitcoin, at least since the 11th of July. And technically, it is still bullish, all right? So for me, if you look at the technicals for XRP, which are bullish, and it's giving no indication of breaking down here, even though in crypto, and especially with XRP, that can always happen. But for me, there's no reason for me to tell you that we will not continue this technical structure. The technical structure is bullish, so therefore I am bullish. Now, and then if you look at the momentum right here, it's very much up and down. We gained quite a lot of momentum yesterday, lost quite a lot of that overnight. This is basically what we saw in the entire market, all right? So that's purely correlation, nothing much happening with XRP. Even though the open interest in the last 2 weeks, of course, is up a lot because of news. And today, there is the speculation, great picture. There's speculation that there's a big meeting between Ripple and the SEC. Now, I do assume this is between Ripple and the SEC, but I'm not 100% sure, because I believe if you go to the SEC website, it doesn't state that it's with Ripple, of course, but it does state that it's about settlement. So therefore, it's to be expected that it's XRP and Ripple. So that news is going to matter, all right? And I cannot tell you what that news is going to be. Nobody can tell you. I would say, like, XRP has a bit of a history of insider trading, and based on that insider trading, I would say it's most likely that the news is going to be bullish. And then apart from that, most of the news from Ripple and the SEC has been bullish, right? So therefore, what I expected earlier is still what I expect. I think a lot of this news is already priced in, and we will still see some sort of a news spike into that level at 68 and 67,000, but I do think it will be followed with a sell the news effect. So that's what I expect. I think that's in line with the technicals. I think that's in line with the news. Now, I do want to stress that if the news is much better than expected, and the market expects it to be good, but not extremely good. If the market would have expected it to be extremely good, we would have pumped up more, I would say. But no, all right, so the news can still surprise, all right? If the news surprises, then we can rally much higher than this, and then it can also turn into a bigger uptrend into that level right here between 85 and 90 cents. So that is a possibility, and you should be prepared for that. I would not short XRP or something before the news. Aiming for that sell the news effect. I don't think that's smart. But this would only be with a surprise. And a surprise is always a surprise because the probability is lower than something else. And therefore, I don't think this is most likely, but it is 100% something you should take into account. And those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.